What? What'd you say?
Are you recording it?
Mm-hmm.
You got some spice?
Mm-mm.
Monica's a shitty mother indeed.
How much spice is that?
She brings her kid to the
talking
house
shit
of
anyway. See, I'm sorry, my bad. I didn't get it in your way.
Monica's a shitty mother.
That's a shitty woman. You can get that's a politician's view. Shitty woman.
She brings her kid to the house of with the missing bag of She is. Huh? The baby, she let her baby want to get it. The missing mat was in the kitchen cabinet, and I'll tell you, she was sucking Terrence's dick in the bedroom while the kid was running around the kitchen.
You just stop saying about shit you're not even sure if you're 1% true.
Oh yeah.
Monica's ready to beat her ass.
I wouldn't be here for that. That girl's gonna whoop.
Oh, man.
That girl hasn't gone through menopause. That woman
has.
That woman's frail and brittle.
Oh, yeah.
I don't care how drunk she is. That girl's got rage. That rage will fuck alcohol up.
Oh, yeah.
He's like, what the fuck?
I want to not talk to fucking people.